mirror of reality, how your inner world creates your life, the hidden law that shapes everything. There is a silent law operating in your life right now. It doesn't require force, hustle, or complicated techniques, yet it decides your money, relationships, confidence, and direction. This law is simple, but confronting it is not. Reality is a mirror, not a mirror that judges you, not a mirror that punishes you, but a mirror that faithfully reflects who you believe you are. Most people try to change their lives by fixing the reflection. They change jobs, relationships, cities, strategies, but the image standing in front of the mirror remains the same, and so the reflection never truly changes. If you want a different life, you must become a different person internally first. That is the mirror principle.
Why external change never lasts. Let's take a simple example. Imagine someone who wants to be wealthy. They read books, watch videos, try businesses, switch strategies. Sometimes they even make money, but it never stays. Why? Because internally, they still see themselves as someone who struggles, someone who tries to succeed instead of expects success. Reality mirrors that identity. It doesn't matter what you do on the outside if your inner self-image remains unchanged. The first truth of the mirror principle is this: if nothing changes inside you, nothing permanent will change outside you. Reality doesn't respond to effort, it responds to identity. Reality responds to your self-relationship. The mirror of reality reflects two things at all times: your relationship with yourself and your relationship with the world. If deep down you believe, "I'm not good enough," or "I'm unlucky," or "I always struggle," the mirror responds with precision. It brings people, events, and situations that confirm that belief, not because reality is cruel, but because it is consistent. Reality behaves like a loyal assistant. It says, "Understood, I'll show you more of what you believe." Today, most people live completely absorbed in the outer world. Notifications, social media, opinions, noise. The inner world has been neglected. And when the inner world is ignored, life feels chaotic, unstable, and overwhelming. The mirror principle teaches us something radical. The outer world is not the cause, it is the effect. Your inner state creates the lens through which you experience everything. Stop trying to fix the reflection. Most people try to manipulate reality directly. They say, "Why is this happening to me? How do I stop this problem? What strategy will fix this?" That is like shouting at a mirror to change. It doesn't work. Instead of attacking the reflection, you must change the image being projected. The moment you do that, the mirror has no option but to adjust. Creating a new identity. So how do you consciously use the mirror principle? You begin by creating identity. Ask yourself this: 10 years from now, what does your life look like? What do you do every day? How do you feel when you wake up? What kind of person are you being? Now, ask the most important question: who am I when I already have this life? Confident? Calm? Grounded? Decisive? That identity comes first. The results come later. Creating a new worldview. Identity alone is not enough. You must also shape your worldview. How does this version of you see life? Do they see opportunity or threat? Do they trust the process or fear the unknown? Your worldview determines how you interpret events. Two people can face the same situation and experience completely different realities. Why? Different inner lenses. Effective affirmations that actually work.
Affirmations only work when they shape identity. Instead of forcing belief, they gently introduce a new self-image. Examples: I am worthy of abundance because I create value. I trust life, and life supports me. I move through the world with confidence and clarity. Repeat them daily, not to convince reality, but to familiarize your mind with a new identity. Over time, the mirror responds. The delay. Most people don't understand. Here is where most people fail. Reality reflects with a delay. In your mind, an image forms instantly. In the physical world, matter moves slowly. That delay is not rejection. It is incubation. If you abandon your new identity during the delay, you cancel the process. Consistency is power. Remain loyal to who you are becoming even when nothing seems to be happening, especially then. The emotional wave. Many people experience emotional ups and downs. They feel inspired, then discouraged, hopeful, then doubtful. This creates a cycle. The mirror reflects not what you want, but what you consistently embody. Your job is not to avoid emotions, but to stay committed to identity despite temporary moods. Mood passes. Identity remains. The secret of complaints. Here is a subtle but powerful insight. Reality does not reflect emotion. It reflects content. When you complain, "I hate my job. I hate these bills," reality hears job, bills, and brings more situations involving them. This is why gratitude is transformative. When you focus on what you have, you multiply it. Abundance is not about pretending. It's about attention. Shifting from scarcity to abundance. Scarcity asks, what's missing? Abundance asks, what's working? The moment you shift focus, your behavior changes, your energy changes, your opportunities change. The mirror responds immediately, but visibly with delay. The mirror cycle. Most people live in this loop. Observe reality, form belief, reality reflects. Repeat. This makes them reactive. Creators reverse the cycle. Choose identity, form image, confirm reflection, strengthen belief. Instead of reacting to life, they direct it. They don't deny reality, they outgrow it. Confirm, don't judge. When small changes appear, acknowledge them. This is working. This is progress. Confirmation strengthens the signal. Judgment weakens it. Reality listens carefully to what you reinforce. Becoming the alchemist. An alchemist turns lead into gold by changing the internal structure. You do the same with your life. You don't chase reality, you attract it by becoming aligned with it. Conclusion: your real power. Reality has no limits. It has no opinions. It reflects. The moment you understand this, you stop fighting life and start shaping it. Change the image. The mirror will follow. This is not theory. It is lived truth. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to like and subscribe. Share it with someone who needs clarity today, and leave a comment below. What identity are you choosing from this moment forward? Thank you for being here. Take care, and I'll see you soon.